Hi! Hey guys, so today we have an assortment of Squeezamals.
You're also good at smack, right?
Thank you so much to Beverly Hills Teddy Bear Company for sending these to us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So there is an assortment of Squeezamals. There are micros, which are the ones that are in the packaging, and they have mystery Squeezamals inside.
They're inside here?
No. Those that you guys are holding are actually the 8-inch, and then we have the smaller 3.5-inch. We actually have some of the dessert edition. The 3.5-inch ones. They look super cool. So these are super soft, slow rise memory foam plush, and they're each lightly scented. So which ones do you want to check out first? The big ones?
Big ones.
Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness.
I don't even know if I can do that.
You gotta break the table.
Wow. Look at that.
He's got a light head.
They are definitely slow rise. How cute are they?
There we go.
Oh my god, the table is like bending. You're pushing down.
You're cracked.
Look how lightheaded he is. And they smell too.
They smell good?
Get out of here! No.
Oh, look at these little guys. How cute. These are the 3.5-inch Squeezamals.
This is their tail.
That's their defense mechanism.
Doop. Yes, unicorn. Where's yours? Narwhal. Okay, I'll
I knew what it was.
But it's still the same one, so.
The natural enemy.
Pull your eye out. I also have this beautiful
Ooh, look at those.
cupcake.
I got cake. The natural enemy of the cupcake.
Wait, which one's better? They're both the same.
Technically, yes.
Hello. Hello. Hi.
Alright, now onto my s'more.
Some more. Squish it. Wow.
It goes up so quickly you don't even notice this one's a quicken.
Oh yeah, that one's way quicker.
Alright, I guess we're on to these little guys.
Ooh, let's see what the mystery one is.
Soon it'll be no mystery. So here's two of them.
Oh, they're so cute. So tiny.
They're attached.
They're attached?
No, there's like a thing keeping them together. Like,
Let's go like this.
No, it's kind of satisfying actually.
Was it like cracking a bone?
Let's see what's in these. Oh. Ooh, sorry. Just look at how
The natural enemy of yours is the natural enemy of... What even is this? A stingray?
Oh, they're so cute. It's like a stingray.
Go away.
Oh, look at them.
Our army, the leader of this army, is a stingray.
They're really cute.
The cow can't fall, or... What is that? Cat cow? A row?
Probably. Maybe it's a deer. I don't even know. Okay, let's see. Oh. Satisfying.
Look at them. They are so cute.
Here's yours. I think it's a frog, so.
I
Cute.
think it's a frog.
Ooh, this one's pretty.
It's grapefruit.
Oh, that's a pretty one.
Their
It's like
leader.
metallic.
We must take down their leader.
Wait, it's like a fish. Yeah, it's a fish. It's a little fishy. Hello, my children.
We're against you.
What? Why? I want to try something.
You may outnumber
I'll show the
us.
fish. Cute.
We will fight due to...
Just making a pyramid of micros. Boy, guys, with all the holiday editions and dessert editions, there's over 500 to collect.
These little guys.
No! My
All of
pyramid!
them.
Michael, try and make a pyramid with those.
What do I have to put a pyramid of?
A 3?
The leader falls that day. Not the type of fall you would think. There we go.
Come on. Ding, ding, won't stand.
Aww.
Alright, go to battle. There might be 3 of us, but these are more skilled than you.
No, you're not.
So, guys, out of the micros and the 3.5 inch and the 8 inch, which ones are your favorites?
This one
This.
and this one.
Aww. There's over 500 to collect with all the holiday editions and dessert editions that they have. That is super cool.
Yes.
Thank you so much to Beverly Hills Teddy Bear Company for sending these to us.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Until next
And
time, guys.
bye.
Bye.
Fight to the very end. Oh no, they're gonna build one.